How to solve Redbubble phone number verification issues. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you have a phone number verification issues on Redbubble where you're trying to get verified but the code just won't send or Redbubble keeps showing an error. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you're using your correct number. Ensure that you have selected your correct country with its code and you have to use a mobile number. You cannot use any other landline number. So check your number properly. Wait for a while and then click on send code. You have to wait for at least 60 seconds for the SMS and the code will be valid for 10 minutes, so you have to enter it quickly as it arrives. But if it still fails and if you're getting errors like please check your number, you could try to log in or get verified via different browser or device. Log out and log back in and try again. Wait for a few minutes or hours. Try again later and try it again. And check if that works out for you or not. If still not, then you have to contact to Redbubble support. So once you're on their website, scroll all the way to the end. There you will have an option as contact us. Click on it. Once you're here, now go to the contact support now. And here there is a chat bubble at the bottom right corner. Click on it. So here you could send them or tell them that you have tried verifying your phone number several times, but the code won't send. So after that, send it your message and they will help you fix it from their side, and make sure to follow the instructions properly. So in this way, you can fix your verification issues on Redbubble, and that's it. That's all for today's video. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.